In this video, we want to look at Introduction to Plasma Physics. The objective of this study is to look at the course synopsis and relevance. Learning outcome. At the end of this class, we'll be able to explain the physical interpretation of plasma physics with at least 4 practical examples, evaluate at least 2 basic plasma equations, starting from the basic set of fluid and Maxwell equation, describe at least 2 practical occurrences of plasma in nature, discuss the theory behind at least 2 plasma phenomena, such as magnetohydrodynamic stability, outline and discuss 2 practical applications of cold plasma, explain basic knowledge of plasma physics, useful for further studies concerning laboratory, fusion, space, and astrophysical plasma. Then discuss at least 2 relevance of halving and magnetosonic to man. Course synopsis. In this course, we shall look at basic concept of plasma, plasma dispersion relation, waves in cold plasma, Whisker mode, cyclotron waves, magnetohydrodynamics, confinement of plasma, origin and study of space plasma, laboratory plasma, Torus and mirror devices, initial confinement, instability in plasma, plasma heating and method. Let's look at application of plasma. Plasma physics is very, very important and find application almost in everywhere in water processing, industrial processing, control fusion research, semiconductor electronics, metals processing, solar physics, and many others. For instance, the study of plasma physics is making remarkable progress in fusion energy research, which may be the key for humanity to produce abundant, safe, carbon-free electricity. So, plasma physics is an interesting course, especially because of its application. And research in plasma physics draws knowledge from different areas of physics, including electromagnetism, thermodynamics, nuclear physics, statistical mechanics, and atomic physics. So for a better understanding of plasma physics, we need all these areas. So foundation in this area is key to better understanding of plasma physics. Thus, plasma physics is an interesting course, and there are videos, lectures in all the topics mentioned in the synopsis. Please subscribe to my channel for more video lectures about plasma physics. Thank you very much for listening. Bye for now.